I just left the market, which is right around the corner here, and I'm heading to the train station, and I'm going this way. There's the ATM. They usually don't open the shops until 9 o'clock. So, hello. Y'all have to see the market right around the corner here.
Okay.
It's amazing. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Fresh. The shrimp are moving. They're alive. It's alive.
Have a look, thank you.
So all these doors, it's got graffiti on them. They open them up and they're real nice shops on the inside. It looks kind of yucky right now, but when they open it up, it's just so nice. All the lights come on. They just have everything here. Look at this. Oh, look at that clock. That's beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've got to stop back by here on the way back. Buongiorno. Okay, here we go. I got to get to the train station. But I want to stop and look at everything. Ooh, I like to look at stuff. Oh, look at all the dogs. Wow. What? Self-service? Oh, self-service 24 hours. Oh, cigarettes. Ah, and she's working on restocking it, I guess. Oh, nice. Ooh, look at that. They have a balcony. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to go to my maps. Ciao, ciao.